Hello everyone, it's Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods, and this time I am here bear with me, with an iPhone 7. So here's an iPhone 7, been brought in but it's not charging. Now this is a weird one because it's pulling 0.03 amps through my ammeter, so it is trying to charge somehow. I've taken it apart, I have checked, and it's definitely not just needing cleaning. So what I've done is I've opened it up. That's about all I've done so far. I'm just going to check a charging port in there. Pretty sure. Just going to solve this. So, stick a port in and we're charging. So this video is literally just going to be a quick charging port replacement. So let's disconnect that battery. Let's pull this charging port out. Disconnect the screen. So this is going to be a very quick, easy repair to do on video. Which would be nice. Looking at it, I think we'll probably replace that battery as well. The battery don't look great. So there's obviously, if you're a repairer and you're watching this, you should already know about sort of the shortcut to this repair. If not, watch and learn an easier way of doing iPhone 7 charging ports. I know we've done it this way for a long time now, but in case you didn't know, the sneaky little way of doing these, making them much easier. A lot of people think you have to remove the whole motherboard, or did think, like I say. This has been quite well known for a while now. So what we do is we just remove the two big screws here, and also remove the SIM tray. And by doing that, we have quite a bit of space to move the motherboard up and down. So all we're doing now is taking out all the screws here, that we can get them out of the way. There you go. A few more screws. And then just these bottom ones here. Actually looks like on this occasion this charging port's already been replaced. So that could explain why we're getting funny readings, because it might be a cheap aftermarket one. You can generally tell from how they're stuck in. And that's coming off, yeah, really easily. So what I do here is just put my tweezers under the charging port just to remove the adhesive from the board, and it just slides out like that. So that's the old port. What we do with the new one is we just lift this board slightly, slide this under. We'll always clip them in first to get them in a good position, just like that. And then we can get this in place nicely. Put all the microphones in place. Tuck it all in nicely. And there you have it. So now the charging port's in place, we can go and start back in. So like I say, is when you can just lift the board like that, it makes the repair so much easier. You don't have to take the motherboard out. Like I say, it's been known for a while, so if you don't know about it, follow our YouTube channel or something like that, because this stuff I will start sort of doing videos for much quicker now. Getting much better and much more active on YouTube, so like I say, if you start following us, this stuff will start coming out as and when we figure it out, not just on the occasion when we get one of these repairs in anymore. So it's a nice little trick, because like I said, it saves you an awful lot of time, it saves you a lot of effort. You don't have to move the motherboard about and do all them screws and everything. It makes the job that much quicker and easier. Just check here, I don't have a... Okay, there was a bit of sticker there that doesn't need to be, that was stopping this microphone from going in place properly. There we go. And that gets held in here. So another big thing with the charging ports on these, so you need to make sure everything's lined up properly, otherwise you can have problems with your microphones and everything like that. So it is important. Now for the speaker. Hey presto, and then we just put these two screws back in here to hold the motherboard down. And away we go. Ooh, I've just noticed something. I don't mind holding my hands up when I've done something wrong. So I've just put this screw in under that bracket, so I need to take that out and put it back in. So I like things to be exactly as they should be. So now if I put this back together, screensaver on this is a generic one, so I can show you. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry about that, getting interrupted. So now that charging port's in, I'm going to plug it in. Apple logo, that's a good sign that it's recognised the charger. From there, it should come on, show that it's charging, and we should have a very happy customer. So that's a good sign. Beforehand, one thing I forgot to mention was the taptics weren't working. So when you press the home button, it wouldn't vibrate. That is working now. And here we are. That's charging fine. We're at 42% and going up. So I'm happy with that, and we are pulling 0.93 amp, which is good for a half full battery. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to leave it on charge for a little while, make sure it's all working, and we'll go from there. But that is one fixed iPhone 7 charging port. So this is a very simple repair that every repair should do. Anyone that does a repair shop will be able to change the charging port. It's just about the quick and easy way, saving yourself the aggro of having to remove the motherboard and everything like that. So that's me, Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods. Please feel free to get in touch for any advice or any repairs. Thank you very much.